Good afternoon. We're out in Englewood, Colorado today. We just finished out a full James Hardy Color Plus full wrap with some windows to be installed as well. We're here with Mr. Bowser, the homeowner, and I wanted to ask you, Mr. Bowser, what was the experience with exterior recovery?
It was terrific. Sorry about we got all the gardening work in the back here. It was great, and we we really valued just the directness and telling us what is going to be challenging about this, what's going to be what you would recommend in terms of what we do. But when we look at the finished product, we're really excited about how it looks superficially if you're doing a drive-by and how it looks. But also, to me, it's really it's important that the details are right. And so an example is these. I don't know what you call them. We call them soffits, but the way you wrap those and customize that, there was a lot of rotted wood under there. You did a really nice job, and we appreciate that attention to detail. The other thing is every little thing we kind of complained about, like little dinky things, like can you please put this in just so you accommodated all of our concerns, which we really appreciate also.
Perfect. And would you refer us to family and
We would
friends?
absolutely refer you.
Thank
for
you
sure.
so much for your
Take care.
Thank you.